Science of accumulation of বায়ু বায়ুসঞ্চয়ের লক্ষণসমূহ growth of বায়ু into its size is called chaya or accumulation of বায়ু. In this condition, body becomes more rough. As a result, affected person desires more and more demulsion foods and drinks. The summer is accumulation time of বায়ু. Aggravation of বায়ু. কুপিত বায়ুর লক্ষণ. Excessive accumulation of বায়ু causes aggravation. In this condition, accumulated বায়ু moves its own size and occupies size of other dosas and thus vitiates dhatus and malas. Normalcy of বায়ু. Situation of dosas in their own size in a normal quantity is called prasamam or normalcy of dosas. So, situation of bayu in its own size is an adequate quantity and condition is a normal condition of bayu. Naturally, Sarat or autumn is the time of normalcy of bayu. Now, I shall discuss diseases of Vata or Vayu. Diseases of Vatas or Vayus are innumerable. Ancient authors of Ayurveda like Charak mentioned 80 kinds of Vata rogas. For example, Nakhabheda, Vipadika, Padashula, Padabhrangsha, Suptapadata, Patakhuttata, Gilpagraha, Pindikudvastan, Gridroshi, Januveda, Januvislesha, Urustamba, Pangulya, Gudabhraksha, Gudarti, Vichanasapa, Sapastamba, Prakshana, Anaha, Sonitaveda, Vivardha, Udavarta, Khanjatta, Kubjatta, Bhamanatta, Trikagra, Pishtagraha, Pasha, Vivardha, Udara Avesta, Rinmoha, Ridrava, Bhaksha, Udgrasha, Bhaksha, Uparoda, Bhaksha, Upastamba, Bhausasa, Garbhastamba, Mannastamba, কণ্ঠধ্বংস অনুভেদ ও উষ্ঠভেদ দন্তভেদ দন্তশৈথিল্য মুখত্ব ভক্ষণ গ্রহ কষায়ত্ত মুখশোষ অসর্জন্যতা গ্রহণস কর্ণশূল শব্দশ্রবণ উচ্চশ্রবণ বাদির্য বর্তস্তম্ভ তিমির অক্ষিশূল ভ্রুভুদাস শঙ্খবেদ ললাটবেদ ক্ষীরশূল কেশভূমিস্ফুটন অর্জিত একাঙ্গরোগ সর্বাঙ্গরোগ পক্ষবেদ আক্ষেপ দণ্ডক বিনাশ্রমে শান্তিবোধ গাত্র উন্মহ ডিম্বা বিষাদ অতিপ্রলাপ গ্লানি রুক্ষত্ব পুরুষত্ব সাবর্ণত্ব অরুণবর্ণত্ব ব্যাপথু অনিদ্রা অ্যান্ড চিত্তচাঞ্চল্য. More than that, many other nervous diseases are not mentioned in the classics, but nowadays we are finding many birth problems which are not mentioned in the classics. Now, importance of Vayu. Pittam Pangu, Kapha Pangu, Pangabo, Maladhatva. In the classic book of Bhagavata, it is mentioned that except Vayu, all other dosha and dhatus are stable. Only Vayu has mobility, gati. According to him, Pittam Pangu, Kapha Pangu, Pangavo, Maladhatava. Vayuna Jatra Niyante Tatra Gachanti Megavad. Means Pitta, Kapha, Mala and Dhatus are immovable. These are mobilized by you, like clouds mobilized by wind, because Vayu is only a mobile phenomenon. Chikitsa Sutra, or line of treatment of Vayu Rogas. प्रायश सर्वबातेषु विवेक स्नेह सेवनम तथानुभाषणम स्नेह छेदश्चापि प्रशस्यते. According to Ayurveda Vigyan, Virechan means purgation, Snanasavan means taking off fatty articles, Anubhasana means demolition or oily anema, and Sadhana means fermentation, are useful for management of Vata rogas. In taking up Madhura rasa, sweets, taste, Amra rasa, sour taste, and Ravana rasa, salant taste, Snigdha, demulsion, and hot foods and ducks are useful for the treatment of Vata roga. Astapana, enema of medicinal decoction. Nasya means snow. Vibhanga means rubbing the body with medicated oil. And Parishaka, taking bath with hot decoction. And Mamsa Sevana, taking of meat, are also useful in Vata roga. Among these, Mardana, that is massaging, Astapana and Anubhasana are super trio for management of Vata roga. Now, this process are exercised in Panchakarma. In all the Ayurvedic hospitals, you can take this facility without any cost. Vayu Prasamaka Bhasaja. I have prepared a list of 53 plain drugs for Vata rogas. After a long time research, from various classicals and our family tradition, if you like to get the list of these plant drugs, you can consult my book, Principles and Practice of Modern Ayurvedic Medicine, and Ayurveda Samhita from first to sixth volume, Sriniketan Samhita, and the book Ashtanga Sangraha, and also Bangla or Bengali Ayurveda, written and published by me from Samhita Prakashani, Kolkata. I have published more than 60 Ayurvedic texts regarding Ayurvedic practice. You can consult my books like Ashtanga Sangraha, Kaya Chikitsa Samhita, Vedvagun Samhita, Sriniketan Samhita, Bangla Bengali Ayurveda, Principles and Practice of Modern Ayurvedic Medicine, Prescription, Chikitsa Vidhan, Ayurveda, Samhita, Rasashastra, Bhishya Kalpana, Ayurveda Shastra Itihas, and so many books written by me. From this address, the address of my publication is Samhita Prakashani, Ayurveda Niketan, Kolkata, care of Khardaha Anandamai Sabhashram, Anandalok 12 by 5 Station Road, Khardaha, Kolkata 700117, and my telephone number is 9748413790. If you like to consult me over telephone, then please ring me from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and my telephone number is 9748413790. If you like to consult me over telephone, then please ring me from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Causes of vitiation of Vayu. বায়ুদূষির কারণসমূহ বা এখন বলছি। According to Ayurveda, all doshas vitiated by improper food and regimen. The following foods and regimens are responsible for vitiation of Vayu. In taking up Nivara, Nivara means a kind of paddy, Hygrorhiza aristata niche, Trinodhanya, Echinochura, Frumentation, or Pisam sativum rin, Chanaka, Tishar, Eritinam rin, Mudga, Paturas, Radiatas rin. All type of daro, kusumbis, Sesera oleosa, and food articles of Koturasa means pangan, Jhalras, Tiktarasa means bitter taste, Kasarasa means astringent taste, Sita means cold, Ruksha means non-untoasness, Lagho means light, Alpasana, less or inadequate food. Vishamasana, improper food. Nirasana, fasting. Udhyasana, taking of food before digestion of previous food. Atishrama, excessive work. Patana, falling. Santarana, swimming. Ati parjatana, excessive walking. Prahara, beating. Aghata, trauma. Ullabhana, jumping. Takvikshaya, loss of seminal fluid and other body elements. Ratri Jagarana, stay up far into the night. Margavarana, obstruction of body channels. Otimoithuna, excessive coitus. Retention of body organs, like motion of stool, urine, seminal fluid, vomiting, sneeze, erection, want, hunger, thirst, tear, sleep, and brushing up the lesions, excessive vomiting, excessive purgation, excessive bleeding, excessive sexual intercourse, excessive thinking, suffering for a long time, grief and fear also aggravated by you. Natural condition like rainy season, winter, last part of the day and night, cloudy sky and dew also vitiated by you. Here is a clarification giving to you. Vayu or Vata means nervous diseases. Be mindful. Signs of increased value. The signs of increased value are as follows. Krishatva, leanness. Purushatva, roughness. Usnabhilasa, carving for hot things. Maragaravastha, hot stool. Durvalya, fatigue. Gastraspandana, twisting of limbs, and anidra, loss of sleep. Signs of decreased value. Gotirasa, diminished movement. Abasada, depression. Durvalya, weakness. Aruchi, anorexia. Rilasa, nausea. Vishamajanya, irregularity of gastric juice. And kapha vriddhi, growth of kapha or histamine or signs of Vayukshaya. Now I am discussing about location of Saman Vayu. Saman Vayu or even Vayu such as Amashaya means stomach, Pakkashaya means small intestine, and Sota capillaries of urinary and genital system of both male and female, including the ovary of female. Physiological performance of Saman Vayu. Jatharagni Vriddhi means improvement of digestive system. Pakashagni Shakti Vriddhi means improvement of metabolic system. Rasa Nirgama means circulation of rasa or plasma. Dosha निर्गम, circulation of पोषक और elementary dosha. Mala nirgama, expulsion of stool. Mutra nirgama, expulsion of urine. Rasa maradi vireshana, activated the various stages of anabolism and catabolism are functioning of saman vayu. Pathological manifestation of saman vayu. Vitiated saman vayu produces Agnimanda, means indigestion. Aruchi means anorexia. Atisar means diarrhea. And Gulma means abdominal tumor. Location of Apana vayu. Apana vayu starts at Pakasha, small intestine. Sukrasaya, testis. Mutrasaya, urinary bladder. Joni, vagina. Garbhasaya, uterus. Navikamala, umbilical area. Uraha means chest. Bakshana means inguinal region. Antra means intestines. And Shishna means penis. Physiological performance of Apana vayu. Malatyaga, evacuation of stool. Shukra tyaga, expansion of sperm. Mutra tyaga, urination. Astava Charaha, menstruation. Garbhadharana, retention of fetus. And Prasava means expulsion of fetus or functioning of Apana vayu. Pathological manifestation of Apana vayu. Vitiated Apana vayu produces Gudaroga, diseases of pelvic region. Mutrasayagata roga produces urinary diseases. And Garbhasayagata roga, uterine diseases. Location of Vyana vayu. Vyana vayu such as Hridaya means heart and Sarvasarira means whole body. Physiological performance of Vyana vayu. Rakta Sambhana, general circulation of blood. Sada Sravana, sweating. आस्तिक श्रावण, breathing. Akunchana, contraction. Prasarana, expansion. Nimeshana, closure. Unmeshana, often. And sadhagrahana, reception of taste and functioning of Vyana-vayu. Physiological manifestations of Vyana-vayu. Jara, rise of temperature. Jyotigadyata, avasyansham of force. Prasarana, aksamatva, disability of expansion. Akshepana, convulsion. Nimeshana, asmatva, disability of closure. And unmeshana, aksamatva, disability of opening. Above mentioned vitiated single vayu produces so many diseases. So, if all these vayus aggravated at a time, these will destroy life undoubtedly.